The rose-cut diamond is a timeless and romantic design, first popularized in the 16th century. This vintage-inspired cut features a flat base with a domed, faceted crown that resembles the petals of a blooming rose. Unlike modern cuts, it doesn't have a pavilion, allowing the diamond to sit lower in settings, making it an excellent choice for understated and elegant designs. With its fewer facets, typically 24 to 36, the rose-cut diamond creates a subtle and soft sparkle, focusing more on a gentle glow than the brilliance of modern cuts. This makes it ideal for those who value a unique, antique aesthetic that captures the charm of eras past. Rose-cut diamonds are often used in vintage-style rings, pendants, and earrings, appealing to those who love jewelry with character and history. Their large, flat surface gives the illusion of a larger stone, while their soft shimmer adds a romantic and ethereal touch. Perfect for lovers of classic beauty, the rose-cut diamond is a choice that exudes charm and individuality. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export-import business from India, join online master course. Visit amitmulani.com.